Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
First, install Anydesk from its official source and open the application. Locate your 9-digit Anydesk address, for example 123,456,789, in the main window. Give that address to the person you want to share with and ask them to enter it into their Anydesk field. They will then send a session request to your app. Wait calmly for the incoming connection prompt to appear on your screen. Do not accept until you confirm the remote user's identity and purpose. When the incoming session prompt appears, read the connection details before you act. Click Accept only after you recognize the requester and their intent. In the permission list, toggle Allow Screen Viewing to give visible access to your desktop. If you want remote control, also enable Allow Mouse and Keyboard in the same permissions panel. Adjust the quality setting to adaptive or pick a fixed resolution to balance clarity and bandwidth. Enable Play Sound if you want remote audio transmitted during the session. For recurring remote help, configure unattended access and set a strong password. Use a password of 6 to 12 characters that you store securely offline. Optionally enable Start Anydesk with Windows so the app runs after reboots automatically. Only share that password with trusted administrators and change it if you suspect compromise. To end a live session, click Disconnect in the Anydesk window immediately and confirm termination. You can also disable permissions or pause the session if you need a temporary stop.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.